Hello, welcome to the Python training. Today we are covering topic 7, looping statements. First of all, we have to understand what is a looping statements in Python. Set of statements will be executed repeatedly till the given condition becomes false. Python supports two types of looping statements, while loop and the for loop. First, we will start studying with the while loop. This is the syntax of the while loop. While conditional statement you have to give, and conditions will be given using the comparison operators. While loop will execute as long as the condition is true. When the condition becomes false, while loop will terminate. Now, let us see an example for while loop. If you take up any looping statement, looping statements will have three parts: initialization, condition, and incrementing or decrementing part. What is initialization? Assigning starting value to the variable is called initialization. Condition, as long as the given condition is true, your while loop will be executed. When the condition becomes false, loop will terminate. Then we have the incrementing part, where I am incrementing the variable value by 1. In this example, we are trying to print the numbers from 1 to 10 using while loop. Initialization, starting value, I have assigned 1. Condition, I have given CTR less than or equal to 10, because after 10, I want to stop printing the numbers. And I'm incrementing the variable value by 1. Every iteration, CTR value will increment by 1. So now let us execute the program and see the output. If you see the output, it will print the value from 1 to 10. After printing 10, CTR value will become 11. 11 less than or equal to 10. The given condition becomes false, and while the loop will stop the execution. Next, so we are studying about the for loop. So for loop in Python, we can use for loop with all types of values. When you take up the syntax of the for loop, for is a keyword, variable name, in is a keyword, and we have group of values. Group of values can be group of numbers, group of characters, that is string, or it could be group of items, followed by the statements. Now we will see the example for how to use for loop with the integer value. For example, so here again I'm printing the numbers from 1 to 10. So we have to use a keyword for variable name num in, and we have given here a range. Range is a predefined Python function that will take basically 3 parameters: starting number, ending number, and the incrementing part. By default, the variable value will be incremented by 1 in the for loop. So, and also I have a second example for the for loop where I'm printing the numbers in reverse order. If you want to print the numbers in reverse order along with the range function, you should also use the reversed function. So now let us see the output here. So you can see the two outputs. First, it is printing the value from 1 to 10. In the second example, it is printing the value from 10 to 1. So question may come to your mind, why I have given, I want to print the number from 1 to 10, but still why I have given 11. because in Python, we have a rule. The upper limit number will be always taken as one number less to the given value. If I want to print from 1 to 10, always I have to give the upper limit value as 11. One number more we need to give. Hope you followed this example. Next, so we will study about the unconditional programming statements, or we can also call it as jumping statements. So in Python, we have three types of unconditional programming statements. Break statement, that is used to break the loop before the given condition becomes false. Then we have continue, and also we have the pass statements. And one more important thing you have to understand here is the break statement and continue statement can be used only inside the looping statement. Now let us see the example for a break statement. In this example, I want to print the numbers from 1 to 10. That's why I have given in the for loop the condition 1 to 10. But when I say when I value is equal to 6, I have given break. So what it will do, it will print the value from 1 to 5. When I value becomes 6, it will break the loop. Means loop will stop the execution. After the break statement, so we have the continue statement. Continue statement will help you to skip the current iteration, but loop will continue to execute till the given condition becomes false. So now let us execute the same program. So if you see the example output of the continue statement, when I is equal to 6, we have mentioned continue. That iteration, specific iteration, has been skipped. But all the other, apart from 6, all other numbers are printed. And why we use a pass statement? Pass statement will be used to write empty statements in Python. Example for pass statements will be given in the later part of the session. Hope you have understood the details about the while loop, for loop, break and continue statement. Thank you.